Very good morning, students. Let's study our another chapter, that is what is government. Government is a group of people who rule, or you can say control, over country. That means a government is a group of people who rule or control in the country. Now, our another topic, that is levels of government. The government works at different level. At the local level, at the state level, at the national level. Government at the local level works for the village, town or locality. Government at the state level covers the entire state like Haryana, Assam, etc. And the third level of government is national level, which relates to the entire country. I am taking an example of India. Okay. Now, for whom the government makes law? Government makes laws for the citizens of a country. Students, government is a group of people who makes law for the citizens of a country. I am taking an example. Government makes law for the citizens of a country who is having motor vehicles must have license. Students, if any person caught driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. Without these laws, the government's power to make decisions is not of much use. Right now we have studied about the actions, about the steps which government is taking in case of rules being not followed by the citizens. But now, what are the steps taken by the citizens if the rules is not being followed? I am taking another example. Suppose a person who is not hired for a particular job and the reason is only the religion or caste. That means on the basis of their religion or caste, if a person is not hired for a particular job, they may approach to a court. And they can also claim, the person can also claim that the law is not being followed. Now let's read about the types of government. We have two types of government, democracy and monarchy. In a democratic form of government, through elections, people vote and elect the people, and these people, or you can say representatives, form the government. Government has to explain its actions and defend its decisions to the citizens, or you can say people of a country. And in the another type of government, that is monarchy, kings or queens, monarch, or you can say monarch, has the power to make decisions. They do not have to explain their actions they take. The bigger difference between the democracy and monarchy is, in the democratic form of government, government has to explain its actions and defend its decisions to the people. And in the monarchy form of government, kings or queens do not have to explain their actions they take to the people. In the democratic form of government, democratic government meaning system in which government of a country elected by the people or citizens of a country. That means in a democratic form of government, the citizens of a country elect the government by the process of election. Which is the key feature of a democratic government? The key feature of a democratic government is people having power. That means only the citizens of a country is having power to elect their leaders or representatives. And these leaders and representatives form the government. These leaders and representatives make decisions for the entire population. This is the present scenario of democratic government or the election process of government. But in the earliest form of government, government allowed only, why I am focusing here only? Because government allowed only men who have their own property or who have educated. Those men have to have the right to vote. In the earliest form of government, government allowed only men to vote, and the men had the only right to take part in the elections. Here is question arises, what was the role of women in the formation of government? Women, poor, or the person who is propertyless, who is uneducated, was not allowed in the formation of government of a country. That means in the earliest form of government, women, poor, propertyless, uneducated people were not allowed in the election process and were also not allowed to vote for the formation of government of a country. Country was governed only by the rules and regulations that few men made. Several people, including Gandhiji, were shocked at the unfairness of these practices and demanded that all adults have the right to vote. That means the Gandhiji have demanded for UAF. What is UAF? Universal Adult Franchise. That means all adults must have the right to vote. Look at the picture of voting process in a rural area. A mark is put on the finger. As you all can see here, a mark is put on the finger to make sure that a person cast only one vote. Students, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you.